Nasdaq Futures was announced in March with a goal of shaking up the energy futures markets. John Lothian News spoke with Hans-Ole Jochumsen at the FIA IDX conference in London about what progress has been made in its preparations for launch, how the industry is embracing another exchange, and the long-term prospects for the market.
What we see for the time being is that momentum are building up. A lot of customers really want to be there. It also means that we have seen FCMs who earlier have prioritized it down the line, probably to join us later. They have moved their plans forward. So we have a relatively large amount of FCMs which will be ready from day one. Market makers are signed up. And we in reality have a long list of customers who are trying to see if they can be ready to trade from day one. We decided to partner with OCC, given the fact that OCC is a clearinghouse for the option market. In US it's already a relatively large clearinghouse. So in reality, to add these products is just to build on the scale the clearinghouse already have. It also means that OCC are able to deliver the clearing at a pretty low price. So of course our customers can see that this new venue will be very competitive, also in a longer perspective. We believe that based on information from the FCMs that the one being ready from day one cover 80 to 90% of the market, of the potential customers measured in market share. So the access to this new exchange is very, very high for a new exchange. Secondly, our partnership, we feel, is very, very strong with the global banks. The big players in this space are behind. We have a number of FCMs also inside the partnership. We have a number of very strong market makers, and we have a number of trading partners also. And they are so committed, so they in reality also are prepared to say, okay, if we are not able to deliver enough activity, then we are prepared to pay into the partnership. So there is a little bit a model where if you are not able to deliver, then you pay. It takes time really to build up a market. So of course it's not something which is going to happen within 3 months. You need to have a perspective where you need to see 1 or 2 years before you can see whether it's really successful. But I would say that so far, if you look at how many who will be ready from day one, I think it will be a relatively huge number compared with what we are used to see for a new exchange. So that in itself is of course promising. And then we can just hope the best and see how it works out.